EagleRidge Roofing, trusted roofing solutions in West Valley City, Utah. EagleRidge Roofing is a trusted premier roofing contractor based in West Valley City, Utah, proudly serving the 84119, 84120, and 84128 zip codes. We specialize in delivering top-tier residential and commercial roofing solutions with a commitment to excellence, customer satisfaction, and long-lasting results. As certified professionals, we offer a wide range of roofing services, including inspections, repairs, replacements, and new installations for various roofing systems, such as asphalt shingles, metal, and flat roofs. Our team uses only premium materials, adhering to industry standards to ensure the highest quality and durability in every project. In West Valley City, our residential services include new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections, and storm damage assessments and repairs. We also provide gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, and shake shingle sealing and treatment. Additionally, we offer ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installation and removal, and sealing and caulking services to enhance energy efficiency and weatherproofing for your home. For commercial properties, EagleRidge provides comprehensive solutions, including commercial roof installation and replacement, flat roof repair and installation, and the installation of metal roofing systems. Our specialized services also include TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, as well as roof coatings to extend the life of commercial roofs. We also offer soffits and fascia services, siding installation and maintenance, and ventilation solutions for commercial buildings. Commercial-grade sealing and caulking, along with swamp cooler installations and removal, are also part of our extensive service offerings. EagleRidge is proud to serve the Wasatch Front, including West Valley City, Salt Lake City, Sandy, and neighboring areas. Our team is dedicated to providing reliable roofing solutions backed by transparent communication and a strong focus on customer satisfaction. Why choose EagleRidge? With years of experience, certified professionals, and a commitment to premium materials and craftsmanship, we stand out as a trusted roofing contractor in West Valley City. Our transparent communication and attention to detail throughout each project have earned us a reputation for excellence and customer satisfaction. If you're looking for expert roofing services in West Valley City, EagleRidge is here to help. Call us today at 801-784-1457 to learn more about our services and get started on your next roofing project. EagleRidge Roofing, Utah's premier roofing and construction experts.